Welcome to the channel, and a very quick in-between video just to give you an idea where we're at. We left this place in shambles, but it wasn't after a hard-earned day of working. We got quite a bit done in the last day we were here. I don't want to show you everything, but you can see that there is most definitely a panel now where the passenger quarter panel is, and I would open the door, but I just don't want to give it all away right away. I'm going to throw this in as a music video at the end, and you can see where we're at. This is going to be followed up by a fair amount. We've got a couple of challenges to face, and we're pretty ready to do that. So now the car's actually got panels all the way down both sides, because of course you saw that we got the other one done. And I guess we're going to do a bit of a product review here. The post we've been working on has got some very difficult areas to sand, and from watching other experienced guys, they use these. Now here's the only thing. This is a rather cheap one. It was $46 on Amazon. The impressive part was that it was ordered before lunch and it was here before supper. So I don't know if my neighbor's got them in his garage or what it is, but anyways, I suppose some of the concerns is that, you know, we spell oil O-I-L, but this is Old Daily, so Old Daily. It was kind of a part when it arrived, but I was able to put it together in a fashion I believe it should work. It's got a pretty good sized spring on it that keeps it forward. I had never seen the fittings that came with it, but I did look them up because I've never seen them, and I guess this is common elsewhere. It's certainly not ones we've ever used in any shop I worked in. When you read through the little manual, machine is spelled with an S instead of a C. That's a little concerning, I guess. And this piece here, this arm that keeps the belt taut, they call it a deflector. So, you know, maybe that's the other language, because, of course, for $46, you know exactly where we got this from. So, anyways, if that works, it's certainly going to help us with some of the work on the post, because it's some pretty tight quarters to do the grinding in. But I'm going to fill it all in on the next video. There's quite a bit of work there, and the next work day is really going to show us some promise, because if you watch the video to the end, you'll see that we're on the last of the very major modifications on this splice we're doing. So thanks for sticking around this long, and we'll talk to you real soon. Have a great day.